Hello guys, Mehul are back in with another new video, and rather than showing you a general hook video, today I am showing you this one. Okay, I am showing off my GitHub profile, though it's not something to show off because obviously my commits are not regular and I don't commit too much because obviously I am a designer first. Okay, that's why. But the thing is, today I am going to show you this one. Like, how many times when you are wandering in GitHub have you seen some great bios like this? Okay, like simple readmes of your own profile. Okay, how many times you have seen something like this? This looks great, isn't it? Like those stats, those looks really cool, like really pro level. Those kind of stats, those all of those things, like all of the activity status repositories, then streaks, yeah, streaks data, then all other stuffs like those things like connected to connect social media links, embedded social media links, embedded skills, though a lot more skills can be added over here. Okay, but those are the things that really looks cool. Okay, now I have been trying a lot more of these like apps like this every now and then, but didn't find something so much complete like this. Specifically, I needed these kind of stats. Like everyone has these images or like skill badges or links like this, but none has. Like, I wouldn't say none, but not many of them has those things like those stats things. So today I have found a website that actually will help you to create all of this. Okay, I haven't written a single line of code, single line of markdown. I would not say it is a code, but single line of markdown to create this all have been prepared for me by this product of us today. Okay, so here is, wait what, here is our today's product, that is GitHub profile generator, the GitHub profile page creator. And here you can basically do what is actually make your profile. Okay, so it will be great. Like in language tools, you can add stuff like C, C++, but they have limited kind of selection here, that I would say. Okay, and they are not categorizing all of them into particular section. That is also a thing that I have seen in other profile makers as well. So these are the basically skill badges that you can add. Then you can add social media links over here, like all of them are already added. What else should I add? See, I can add all of these. Then in GitHub, in specific like GitHub specific things, you have to give it your username. Then you can add anything. See, you can add badges, you can add statistics. Here are the statistics. This is the thing that I was like looking for, right? Statistics. And here you can add trophies, metrics, and streaks as well. All of the things have been added over here. And in header footer, you can obviously write stuffs that you would like to write. Here I'm writing different kind of stuffs. Mm, see, I have actually already written all of those things, and as you can see, the whole preview is available over here. And basically, my whole bio is prepared over here with just a few clicks. And obviously you have to mention all of those, that you have to do, but yeah, it is prepared over here. Okay, and if I click on generate readme file, it will give me the whole code over here, like the whole thing. So here is your markdown code. Now copy it and paste it in your GitHub portfolio, like not GitHub portfolio, in your GitHub readme. And that's basically about it. How you will generate the whole thing, like a whole bio thing, and see how easy it is to create it, right? Now, obviously, there are some things that I would have been like preferred something else, like if I can have sectionized this section. But as you are getting it as a README file, basically, whenever you would like, you can change it like as per your preference. That is totally possible, right? Like if I don't like those badges, those trophies, I can simply change it. Seriously, right? And if I suppose I am really not liking the background of it, so I can really change it, like I can delete this stuff, not a problem at all. Even I'm not liking these badges also, I can change that as well, right? So those are the things that I can easily do, because from this end as well, from this end, as I am totally using just what I'm using here, obviously, what that thing called, yeah, readme, yeah, readme.md markdown file. So yeah, I can easily change my markdown file, I can easily change stylings in my markdown file, that is also possible. So we really don't have to worry about that portions, like it is easily like changeable. All of those things are changeable, right? So really handy tool, and I have been looking for something like this for so long, because I wanted to create a dope looking bio, but I knew that I don't have to hard code it. Obviously, I can easily create it with something, some tool, and I was like hoping for a tool to come along. Now here is the tool, and I'm seriously loving it. And as you can see, I have already used it. So if you want to create a dope looking GitHub profile, like not profile, GitHub bio, so you can obviously use it as well, or maybe you can use it for any of the readme formats that you want to generate, most probably. Okay, so that's it for this video. Actually, that's it for this platform. If you know, actually there are too many platforms like this. So if you know about some of them which are actually, which are like better than this, seriously, which can do incredible things, let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can use them and feature them in my future videos. And if you like this video or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which portion do you like the most and all. Share it with your friends, and that's it from for this video. That's it from my side. Bye.